Hi everyone, this is Arushi. Welcome to my channel Solo Trails. Come with me today and explore the streets of Vienna.
Exploring Vienna, and today I have thought to explore the Naschmarkt and maybe the Hofburg Palace and Vienna Central Station if I get time.
But yes, worship first before traveling. So today I'm not taking a metro, I am just going walking. It's like a walking tour because it's like really accessible and a walking distance from my hotel.
I'm on my way to the Naschmarkt, and the whole way is full of stores and retail stores. It's quite a sunny day today. I believe it's 4 degrees Celsius.
I have come across this beautiful souvenir shop, but I think it's like really expensive because this look at this handcrafted purse. It was around 15 euros, guys. And yeah, they have a lot of stuff like pen, magnets. Magnets are everywhere. A lot of things like, the socks, the goggles, the mugs, a lot of gifts you can take.
So I think I have lost my way to the Naschmarkt, but I'm still on my way. Some lanes are like quite confusing over here. So I would suggest to, look at the Google map before you are exploring by foot. I have finally reached the Naschmarkt.
I will probably have to cross the road because it's over there. Now I have to walk all over.
So as you can see, there are a lot of food trucks out here and many outlets, plus all kinds of cuisines. So I think it is more crowded in the evening. Let's explore more.
Hallo.
Hey,
Nichts schön.
what's
What?
this?
Unmore Pillsbury.
Okay. Nice. How much?
350. 350. 100.
And how much in it? How many like grams?
100 Gramm, 200 Gramm, 300 Gramm, egal.
Okay.
No problem.
Okay. I'll come back and I'll take some. Thank you.
From
India.
India. Namaste.
Namaste.
Ah. So, weiße
Sorry.
India dunkel. Als du weiß.
I'm here in Naschmarkt and she has all kinds of dry fruits and nuts and they're amazing. Just try it once you plan a trip here. Guys, people are so friendly here. They're actually stopping me and asking me to take their videos.
Well, I see that there are plenty of souvenir shops in Nash Market also. A bit cheaper than the central Vienna prices, but still, I feel that the prices are quite high. And even the magnets are no less than 400, 500. Oh, I really love this vegetable market over here. So much variety it has. Fruits, vegetables, dry fruits, you can buy everything. Unfortunately, I'm not living in an Airbnb, otherwise, I would have bought all this.
Buon appetito.
Thank you.
Why do you not eat it? Look, I can eat from your hand.
No, it's okay.
Yeah, madam.
Thank you.
Time.
Thank you.
I think this is like third or fourth souvenir shop that I'm entering in Nash Market, guys. Hmm. So let me check what's here. Oh, I see some Indian stuff too. Usually, magnets, you will find it everywhere.
So guys, my walk and my, you know, strolling of Nash Market has been done. So now I'm a bit hungry. So we'll probably go and check out a cafe or, eat some maybe pastries or coffee.
I'm in Mech Cafe right now, and this croissant and coffee has costed me around 3 euros, which is around 300 rupees, and they've also given a free glass of water. On my way back to the station, I think I'm probably exploring some hidden streets in Vienna.
So let's strolling the
So cool, the
streets
art over
of
the
Vienna.
street is like so cool,
These are narrow lanes,
and it's so empty over
but
here.
beautiful. So I'm on my way to the Hofburg Palace, and right now I'm standing outside the Parliament building. Okay.
Not many know that in Vienna from January until March, the City Hall Square transforms into a huge ice rink, and people from all around, the family, the visitors, the sports enthusiast people, they come and do the ice skating. There are rental services over here, and it starts from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m., and it's absolutely gorgeous right in the center.
So I have reached Hofburg Palace. Um, it's behind me, and now I'm going to explore it. I will check how much is the entrance fee because I'm on a very tight budget right now as I have to buy tickets for certain cities. So, but yeah, I mean, checking out and strolling the palace from the outside is absolutely free.
Hofburg Palace was built in 13th century, and it's one of the biggest complexes in the world, palace complexes. It's also very famous for, museums, politics and events and all of that.
So the entrance fees for the Hofburg Palace is 9 euros for adults. And since I'm getting late and it's raining outside, so I didn't feel like visiting. Plus, it's fine for me as I don't like palaces much. And as I have to buy some train tickets as well. So now I will be heading back to the Westbahnhof train station and I will be buying the tickets for my trip on weekend. And it's raining and windy here. Probably it's 1 degree Celsius. So, guys, my trip has been ended for today, and I'm back to the West Benov station. So, I will be preparing for tomorrow. Tomorrow I am going to Slovakia, Bratislava, the capital city of Slovakia, and I will probably buy some grocery. I have to buy some water, some bread, because water is not usually available here in the hotels. So you really have to buy it. And the water bottle starts from 1 euro. So it's expensive to buy a water bottle here.
So my hotel is just 5 minutes walking distance from here, and I'm going to shop from this supermarket. It's a DM store which has all cosmetics and everything you need. So guys, thank you so much for watching my vlog. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Also, you can write your comments down below, and you can email me on solotrailsbyaarushi@gmail.com. My Instagram handle is arushi.travels.